Let's learn how to divide the number 208 by 4 using the long division method. See that 2 is less than 4. That is why we will consider the number 20. We know that 4 times 5 is 20. Subtract, we get a 0. Now 0 is less than 4. That is why we will bring down this number 8 here. Now see that this is the number 8. So remove this 0. Now 4 times 2 is 8. Subtract, we get 0. As we have no number to bring down here and get the remainder 0, so we will stop. Therefore, 208 divided by 4 is equal to 52. Therefore, 208 divided by 4 is equal to 52. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.